Hello friends, good evening. Today actually we will see what is RSI indicator and what RSI indicator will do for each stock. How RSI indicator helps to buy and sell the stocks, and we will see the list of companies which are today in a buy position because of RSI. So friends, any indicator, first of all friends, I must tell you that in share market, time is everything. If you buy at right time, you earn the money. If you buy at bad time, then of course or wrong time, you trader tends to lose the money. So friends, what is actually RSI indicator? I must tell you friends, that this RSI indicator is a leading indicator. Leading indicator means what? Leading indicators means that before actually the buy price is actual signal is generated, RSI will give signal before the actual buying price. Okay, that is number one. Second thing is that RSI, it is relative strength index. It is calculated in three ways. Three formulas are there to calculate RSI. Fine. But in nutshell, if I have to say, I will say that RSI in one line is RSI is previous 14 days. You can see here 14 days profit and loss, right? So RSI is 14 days profit and loss signal. Then I have said is that it is a leading indicator. It just shows that the share is about to rise. When it will rise, actually this indicator is not telling. As we can see here it is RSI 30. RSI 30 here has given a signal that it is a buying signal, but then it has gone up. Fine. Here you can see for a very long time RSI gave a buying signal, but after some time this has gone up. Here also you can see RSI has given a buy signal, but actually it did not rise, still it fell down and it takes up. Here you can see RSI actually gave a buy signal, and after buy signal actually after 6 days time it again fell, and 14 days time it gave buying signal, and from there it picked up later on. So RSI gives a buying signal, there is no two opinion about it, but when actual buying one should do, you have to confirm it with another indicator. Okay, so today friends, we see here that the first stock which I have taken is of Aurobindo Pharma, and this Aurobindo Pharma, here you can see RSI is 40. RSI 40, and today we are on 1st of September. Today when the market has ended, this has given actually a spinning top. Now spinning top means there is a confusion with the buyers and sellers whether the stock should go up or not. So when there is a first white signal, candle like this, then you can say the fall is over and the share actually is likely to go up. But whether it will go or it will not go up will actually depend upon it has to be confirmed with another signal, another indicator. See, similarly you can see here also it was the same thing. So buy signal has come here, as tomorrow it is likely that the price of Aurobindo Pharma will go up. Similarly you can see exactly it is the same thing here. It is also a spinning top, another signal, and price has gone up, came down, and eventually it went up. Eventually the price will go up. Same thing happened here, and you can see here it was a doji, then it fell down. No, it is a leading. Before actually the share price will go up, it almost signifies that the price is likely to go up. It may take 1 day time, it may take 3 days time, sometimes it takes 10 days time. But yes, what actually happens is you can catch the lowest price, and then if the stock is very good, eventually it will go up. There is no two opinion about it. As you can see here, the first buy signal actually came here, then actually the signal actually came here, but when did it go up? it went actually after quite some time, and then you can see it still fell down and it went up. Although in the middle also it has gone up, so you can see here the buy signal is here and it has gone up. Sometimes it is said, that when after falling from 30, when it goes up to 30, 31, 32, you can buy. So this is actually what is the RSI. Above 70, it is known as oversold zone, and below 20, below 30, it is known as over. I'll repeat it. Above 70, it is known as overbought zone, and below 30, it is known as oversold zone. When there is overbought zone, there are less actually buyers, and when it is below 30 zone, there are more buyers. Okay, now we see here, you can see here there is a spinning top, and this spinner also is on the upside. So I hope tomorrow actually it will go up. You can also call it a doji. Next stock that we take out of our list, actually I will give you the full list of stocks which I have today taken. They are more than this. Then we say Aurobindo Pharma. No, Aurobindo Pharma actually we have already seen. Now we say Infosys. Friends, Infosys has come to 44, and believe me, as I have said earlier, that there are 3 formulas to calculate it. In some of the sites of RSI, it is showing actually it has crossed below 30. Never mind, 44 is a very attractive buy place for it, and maybe that tomorrow actually the stock, or in 2 days time, the stock will go up. It is a very, very attractive position. 914, you will definitely make money in the stock, and as our understanding is that you can see here the stock is in absolutely uptrend, and it has not broken the trend. The next stock, friends, which we have is our Ajanta Pharma. Ajanta Pharma today it has touched here 22, but in some places it has gone below 30. That is in the oversold zone. Here again there is a spinning top, and tomorrow if there is a white candle, the moment there is a white candle, you see after this there is a white candle, it will go up. There is a white candle, it will go up. The white candle, it will go up. The white candle, it will go up. So white candle actually is likely to be the turning point. As you can see here, white candle is a turning point, and this turning point actually, once the turning point is formed, then you see that the stock actually goes up as I am just marking it here, and bigger the candle, the more force actually it will go up. You are seeing this, all this is telling the same thing, that whenever you see the spinning top is formed here, it will go up. Whenever there is a big candle, it will go up. So Ajanta Pharma is a very, very attractive proposition. Friends, I must tell you, Aurobindo Pharma gave excellent results in April to June quarter. Infosys gave super results, excellent results in the first quarter, that is April to June. Ajanta Pharma gave super results in the first quarter, that is April to June 2020. And so also, friends, you can see is the Alembic Pharma. Alembic Pharma has stayed 34 years. Some places it has gone below it. And once again, I maintain my thing that if tomorrow the signal is white, whenever the first white signal comes, that means the fall will be over, as you can see here, and it will continue up. And you see it has gone up again, it has gone up. But you see, after all, it is a share market, and therefore, you should be careful. It has broken the trend here. Actually, it has broken the trend here. It is now, but then you get a very attractive price. The moment white candle is formed, you can have 20% rise here. Fine. So it has broken actually the trend line. It has broken the trend line here, and now that is why it is at 34, and it's a grand buy. And see, Hathway Cable. This is actually acquired by Hathway Cables is acquired by Mukesh Ambani. As it is, we have the lot of confidence in the group. Number one, here it has gone a spinning top, and let us see actually what is happening here. This is 36, and then another side it is saying about 25 or 22. So it is likely to pick up, and from 33 it can give almost 100% in next 3 months time. I say it is a good buy. And friends, then we see the Shilpa Medicare. Shilpa Medicare can still fall down. You can see here it is today again fallen down very well. But before, and let's check with what has happened here. And this is showing here 35. Another side it is less than 30. And friends, here today, on 1st of September, I'm giving you the list of 10 companies. Some of them I have not discussed, where the prices have gone below RSI 30. They have become very attractive, and you keep them for 3 months time. I am very sure that all the traders here will earn somewhere around 20 to 35% in coming next 3 months, if everything is okay, India-China relation is okay. Otherwise, I think by the month of October and November, when the results start coming, they will be just fantastic. Okay, but never forget, friends, that you have to buy. This is actually, I have spoken today only of RSI. You can always confirm it with MACD, or you can buy it over the moving averages, crossover of moving average, and sell here and sell at this cross to be on a safer side. Fine. So in conclusion, I will again say, number 1 point is RSI is an indicator which gives buy and sell prices. Second thing is that you can always confirm it with the other indicator, maybe moving averages, or maybe with the maybe with MACD. And third is that it is a leading indicator. Therefore, much before the crossover, it will give you buy and sell signal. Much before crossover of MACD, also it will give you buy signal, because it is a leading indicator. Fine. The moment it touches 30 and below, if the stock has given excellent performance, the trader is going to make money. But to be on a very safe side, if you want, after it crosses 50, you can buy it, or because the stocks here are excellent stocks, I think there is no the trader should not worry about buying the stocks at this price. However, friends, please consult your broker or financial analyst before buying the stocks. The risk in the share market always exists. Fine, friends. Thank you very much. Actually, I have given this talk just to ensure that you don't lose out on the great opportunity which stocks are offering you today. Fine. Thank you very much, and good night.